everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to Anika's channel. Thank you so much for joining in, and today I have come up with this beautiful Foxy Eye look for you guys. As you guys can see, it's really pretty and nice. So as we all know, this look is going on trend and it's a trending look, so I thought why not I create this look for all my subscribers, my viewers. So if you guys want to see how I have created this look, how I have got this look, then please keep on watching. And all my new viewers, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and everyone give this video a thumbs up please, and don't forget to share it to your friends and family. So without any further ado, so first, I am going to carve out my eyebrows and give my eyelids a very nice and clean canvas. Basically, I'm using a concealer to do that. The concealer I'm using, it's the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. The shade is Amber. The brush I'm using, it's from the James Charles eye brush set. It's M410. That's the brush number. It's a flat brush. It helps to get that nice and sharp look for your eyebrows basically. Going over with my beauty blender, making sure all the creams are nice and blended. Then I'm going to set my eyes with the Huda Beauty setting loose powder. The shade is Banana, and the brush I'm using is from Real Techniques. I will be using my favorite James Charles palette today. This palette is beautiful. I love it. So first, I am adding the shade called Punch Me with the brush M456. This will act as my transition color, and I'm going a little messy but focusing more towards my outer corner of my eyes and close to my eyelash basically. Then I'm adding the shade called Benny, but working a little closer to my eyelash line basically, and focusing more and more outer corner of my eyes. Then I'm adding the shade called Spooky. It's a black shade, and I am literally working on my eyelash line basically, because this look should start from your eyelash, like from should look dark close to your eyelash line, and it should fade as it's going upwards. So you guys can see the whole point, the whole time I'm doing is blending it very nicely. Taking the same brush, I am going over all the eyeshadows and making sure it's looking blended. I did not pick up any extra eyeshadows, but making sure the eyes are looking blended and nice. So you guys can see it's looking very deep close to my eyelash, but it's fading as it's going upwards. Adding some concealer. I already put foundation on my face before doing my eye makeup. I am kind of like giving that eye look a little more sharpness with the same flat brush I used. Concealer. This concealer is full coverage, so it just hides every imperfection on your face. And again, going over with my beauty blender and blending all the concealer on my face. So I took the shade called Spooky. It's the blackest shade on the palette, and I'm kind of like giving a little more sharpness towards my inner corners of my eyes. I'm not doing any cat eyes because my eyes doesn't suit it, so it doesn't look good on my face. I'm just giving a little more sharpness so that my eyes doesn't look really round. And the brush I'm using, it's M158. It's the eyebrow brush. Just adding some smokiness to my lower lash line using the shade called Benny and Spooky, and I'm focusing more towards my outer part of my eyes and making sure it's looking blended and smoky. Adding some contour to my face. It's the LA Girl Pro Concealer. The shade is Beautiful Bronze. It's a very nice and creamy concealer, but I'm using it as a contour because I love cream contours so much. I'm a big fan of cream contour basically. And this product is so affordable, plus it comes a lot in like one concealer tube. It comes a lot of product. I've been using this for like 2 years and still it's there. Didn't even buy a new one, trust me. So adding some under my jawline, giving a little more sizzledness to my face. Then I'm setting my face with the Morphe setting spray and going over with the beauty blender, making sure all the makeup are on place, nice and set. Then I'm setting my under eyes, basically wherever I put concealers or I concealed, setting it with the Huda Beauty loose setting powder, and the brush I'm using is the Real Techniques brush. Setting my contour with the NYX contour palette. I took the lightest shade from the palette and setting the places I contoured basically. Also not forgetting my nose. So now I'm just making sure my lower lash is looking nice and smoked out and everything are looking nice and blended. Yep, just making sure. The lipstick I'm using, it's from the Morphe Kiss Me mini set. The shade is Jealousy. It's a very beautiful shade. I love this. This lipstick is very matte, very pretty, very, very pretty. Alright everyone, so this is the final look and I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. And all my new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video everyone, please share it to your friends and families. If you guys have any concerns or questions, please let me know in the comment box below. I will see you on next Friday. Till then, take care.